Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. It's Gabrielle Ishell here, and today's video I'll be showing you how I install this wig. This is my very first wig, so it's very exciting to do this and kind of nerve-wracking at the same time, but I'm excited to share with you this video. I got my little baby hairs going on. Okay. So let's jump right into this video. I'm going to be doing my very first wig install slash tutorial slash just watch me do it because I don't know what I'm doing. I already messed up and I know it, and this is why I'm cutting my head off in the shot because I don't want, it looks weird. I've never worn a wig before, and so I've never had to wear a bald cap or a wig cap, and it just looks weird, so we cutting it off. This is the first place where I messed up. I was supposed to do this video like 4 weeks ago when I actually had cornrows in my hair. They were going back, so my hair was laying flat. But this time I have like maybe 10 or 12 individual braids in my hair, and I tried to lay them flat. So it does look a little lumpy, but hopefully we can get around that. But that's just a disclaimer. I'm not a pro. I don't really know what I'm doing, but here we are, okay? So this company called Yolova reached out to me and sent me this wig. This is the box that it came in. I got the Jerry Curly 13x4 lace wig. It's 180% density, natural black human hair, and 22 inches. That's a mouthful. Anyways, I got that wig and it came in this cute dust bag. I've never ordered a wig before, but I don't think all wigs come in a dust bag, so I think that was very cool. This wig that I got in a 22 inch is $291. So there are different types of wigs on here, so you can go ahead and look through that if you're interested. They have like straight wigs, curly wigs, wavy wigs. There's a lot to choose from. They also sent me a wig cap. It actually has 2 in there. I washed everything because I don't like putting stuff on my hair. My hair is very sensitive. My scalp, I guess, is very sensitive. So I washed the wig, I washed the wig caps, I washed everything. And they also sent me this tweezer to pluck the hairs in the front. And then it also came with these fake lashes. This is what they look like. Okay, now for the part that you've been waiting for. Here is the wig. Very pretty curls here, and they are of course looser than the ones that I had on my natural hair, so I thought that was cool to do something different and go for a different look. So on the inside there are 4 clips here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and there is also a band in the back. Now the lace goes all the way down. I guess this is so if you want to pull it up in a ponytail or something. So I'm gonna go ahead first off and cut the lace in the back because I don't need it. And I have some old shears. Don't really care about using my new ones because this is not my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this. As I mentioned before, I did wash this wig because my scalp is sensitive and things are just dirty. Like, people touch things and COVID's going around too, so that makes me not look too crazy, but I know everyone does not wash their wigs. I wash my braiding hair, my wig, like everything that goes on my head has to be washed. And I just use actually, I'll show you a clip of what I did right now. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and put this on my head. I'm going to sit back so you can see the top of my hair. And hopefully when I put this wig on, I don't look as crazy as I do now. I feel like it just looks funny because I'm not used to this. I'm not going to glue it onto my scalp because I'm not wearing this long term. It's just for today. I'll probably do some pictures and things like that. I think I have a big head, y'all. Okay, I just want to see how it fits and how it looks on me. I'm going to obviously do some adjustments to it. But yeah, this is how it looks. Alright, I do have foundation here that I'm going to put inside of the wig on the front part, like where the part would be. So like in this middle part here. I'm going to apply it to the brush. Should have actually used a cheaper foundation. I'm using my Fenty, which is probably not a smart idea, but I don't feel like going upstairs. And just going to pat it like that. Yes, I actually am going to go upstairs and get another one because I'm going to have to apply more onto it. So I'll be back. Okay, so I went upstairs to get my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup in the color Classic Tan N7. Since I have to use a little bit more than I thought, I'm going to just use this because it's cheaper than Fenty. So I'm going to put some more on the brush. And I'm out of breath, y'all. That's why I said I did not want to run upstairs, but I did. Okay, once again, just going to apply it or dab it onto the lace in the front. So you can see there are a few places where I probably put too much in one spot, and I don't know how to kind of blend that out, but this is what it looks like underneath. Just put it all over the lace so in the front it looks natural. I flipped it over so you can actually see what it looks like. You can see that it's a little bit darker than this lace here, so it looks closer to my scalp. You see how natural that sort of looks there? So that's good. And now we're gonna go ahead and that looks really good. Okay, so I went ahead and pinned it up a little bit. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace. Okay, wig is off. I mean, the lace is off. Okay, so I went off camera because my battery died, but I did some, what is this called? Baby hairs right there and there, but I don't know how exactly I want to wear this. I kind of want to cut this to make it sort of like a bang, or for now I'll just let it go like that and move to the side, but I don't know. I went ahead and added some of this foaming lotion onto it to make it curly again because it was a little frizzy. I had it laying in a towel, so I did that, and this is how I'm gonna go for it. So I got my little baby hairs right there, and yeah, so it's very different for me because I don't do wigs, but I guess if I wanted to do like a quick thing or my hair's not done, I can go out like this. I want to be able to put it up in a ponytail or like a half up, half down type thing, like this. because sometimes I do like things in my face. I like hair in my face, like bangs and things like that, and then sometimes I just don't. So this is even cute like that. Yes. And yeah, I like that. So this is the final look, and it's growing on me. At first I didn't like it at all, but just because it's different for me. I've never worn a wig before. I've only done a weave one time. So it's very different for me. But I kind of like it. You gotta play with it and see how you want to wear it. I got my little baby hairs going on. Okay, okay. Don't come at me in the comments though, because this is my first wig. Let me know how you think I did though. And if you guys are pros at installing wigs, let me know if there's anything that I can do better the next time, because like I said, this is the very first time that I put a wig on my head. So let me know in the comments below if there's anything that you would suggest I do better next time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out Yolova because they offer some really nice wigs. This is actually really cool. It's really growing on me. Like as I'm talking, I actually like it a little bit more. So yeah. So check out their site. They have a ton of different wigs that they offer and different length. This is a 22-inch Jerry Curly 13x4 lace wig with 180 density, and density is obviously how much hair is on the wig. So this one has 180. You can customize it based on the length, the density, and I think the color too. So definitely check out their site. Thank you, Yolova, for sending me over this wig. This was a lot of fun, and I think it'll be a lot of fun to wear out, but for now it's just for this video because I ain't going outside. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also click the subscribe button and the bell. They're over here. They'll let you know whenever I post, and you don't want to miss a post from me because I do a lot of natural hair content. This is my very first wig, so maybe I'll throw some wigs in there every now and then, but I typically do natural hair content. I do some beauty, some fashion, lifestyle, a little bit of everything, but I'm focusing on natural hair because I am on this natural hair journey. It's about 2.5 years right now, but this is enough of me rapping. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.